Hello, I'm Christopher Kapik, and I'm just going to make a quick video about how you can use MathJax to render LaTeX in HTML documents. So the first thing you're going to want to do is in your HTML document, you're going to want to add the script tag, the one that's right here. I will leave the script tag so you can literally just copy and paste it. It'll be in the description below. Once you do that, you can use the bracket, slash and bracket to do lines of LaTeX. So right here, I've written the quadratic formula, and as you can see, it's rendered over here in the document. But one thing you'll notice is that when I do the $sign for inline math notation, it doesn't render it as LaTeX in the HTML document. Now this is because MathJax recognizes that there are a lot of circumstances when you actually need a $sign and not the inline math notation. So in order to give yourself the inline math notation, what you can do is add this script right here. And I will leave this in the description below as well. And you basically are telling MathJax, hey, I want to use the $sign, or you can use this to the / in parentheses. I want to use this as the opening and closing for inline math. So once you do that, let's see if I save this and refresh it over here. Now you'll see that before, where we have the $sign for inline math notation, it actually renders as LaTeX in the line. So hopefully that's helpful. Also, I am working on a website right now. It'll be math.christopherkapik.com, where basically I'm just going to be keeping a bunch of theorems and definitions. So if you are at all curious about contributing to that and you want to help sort of build an open source place for math theorems and definitions, feel free to go over there and check it out. I'm using Netlify 11t to generate the site. So yeah, feel free to contribute to it. All the instructions for doing so are on the website and in the GitHub repo, both of which will be linked in the description below. That is all. I hope you have a good day, and hopefully this was helpful for you.